the cow says?
Moo.
Moo. That's right. And what does the sheep say? Bah. Good boy. What does the fishy say? Miles, what's a fishy say? What's a fishy say? You tell Mommy what the fishy says. That's right. Good job. How about the elephant? Oh, Miles, chance.
Go ahead.
You want a sip? Okay, one little teeny sip. 1, 2, 3.
Uh-oh, they're going to call child services.
What's the elephant say? What? I couldn't hear you. What does the elephant say? I don't think I've ever heard an elephant say that before. What does the doggy say? Ruff. How about a kitty? Meow.
No.
Does the doggy say meow?
No.
Does the kitty say no? What does the kitty say? Meow. Miles, what's a cow say?
Moo.
Moo. And the sheep?
No.
Ah. Is that what the sheep says? Huh? Can you say dada?
Dada.
Can you say mama?
Mama.
Can you say cow?
Cow.
Can you say egg? Egg? Can you say drive, drive?
Vroom.
Vroom. Good boy. Can you say Mimi?
Mama.
Mimi. Can you say love you, Mimi? Oh. Is that the hug you're going to send to Mimi?
Give kisses.
Can you give kisses to Dada's phone? Can you blow kisses?
Can you blow kisses?
Blow kiss. Good boy.
Can you blow one more kiss?
Blow kisses. Say, blow kisses to Mimi. Miles, chance. No. For Mama. Can you blow kisses to Mimi? Say, I love you, Mimi. Mwah. Can you blow kisses?
Miles.
Good boy. Do you love Mimi?
Can you say bye-bye?